How to fix Fire TV stuck on loading screen. Now this is by Amazon themselves, so it is a bit quite reliable. So their common solutions to fix this, or technically in their way of terming it, is the Fire TV logo stuck on the TV screen. Now the common solutions are of the following. Restart your Fire TV device, of course. One of the main things you can go ahead and try do. Use the power cord or adapter included with your device. Using these accessories ensures that your Fire TV has access to enough power. Let the device sit for 25 minutes, turned on, or until the screen changes. If nothing happens, you can go ahead and choose another solution. If possible, try with and without an HDMI adapter or extender. Make sure that you're using a high-speed HDMI cable. They should be able to help you somehow. Try using a different HDMI port if there are others. For HDMI hubs, try plugging the Fire TV device directly into the TV instead. And confirm that your TV is HDCP compliant by reviewing the video cable section of your TV owner's manual. And if possible, you can try using a different TV. And of course, if the issue persists, you can reset your Fire TV device to factory settings. So those are the common solutions that Amazon has given to potentially fix the Fire TV stuck on the loading screen. So if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.